From harnessing the power of the sun to conserving precious water resources, every aspect of our development is designed to minimize the impact on our environment.
Our approach to design ensures that buildings don't just exist, but they coexist harmoniously with the environment.
Being recognized as a lead power builder by the US Green Building Council is not just an accolade. It is really a testament to our unwavering commitment to building responsibly. Our commitment to sustainability goes beyond compliance. We want to exceed global green building standards. We are the first developer outside of the US to achieve this, and this reinforces our dedication to setting a new global benchmark in responsible tourism.
Achieving LEED Platinum certification is not easy. It requires meticulous planning, the endless pursuit of perfection, and an innovative design approach that pushes the boundaries of what's possible.
Staying at our Platinum LEED certified resorts is more than just a vacation. It's a conscious choice. They are investing in a better tomorrow. That is the Red Sea Global Destination Experience.
The result? Resorts that offer unparalleled guest comfort while maintaining the lightest possible operational carbon footprint.